Hello, this is a short video on how to set up Chrome on your Ubuntu Linux OS. So all you need to do is you will see that I've already gone to the website, but in case maybe you don't know how to navigate to the website, if you go to chrome.com, immediately you go to chrome.com, it's going to immediately take you to google.com/chrome, and then you click on download Chrome. So if you're on a Debian based Linux operating system, so like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, all these ones are Debian based. You download the 64-bit Debian. But if you're on Fedora, OpenSUSE, then you'll have to download the RPM. So because I'm on Ubuntu, actually I'm on Ubuntu 20. I can't remember what other number, but the 2020 LTS version of Ubuntu. So I pick this and I say download. The moment I do that, because I've done it, I'm not going to do it again. It downloaded it for me, right? So I'm going to just open the file. I'm going to tell it to load. Actually, it wants to extract it. I'm not trying to extract, so I'm going to just go back to my downloads and tell it that I want to install. So install, right click, and I want to install. It's installation, yeah. So software install. For some weird reasons, I'm having issue with installing using the software installer, and so I'm just going to try use this approach. Okay, so do I want to install the software? Yes, definitely. And so it's doing its magic, and voila, I think it's done. I can go to my applications and go to all and look for Chrome, and so now I have Google Chrome, and this is how you install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So I'm going to say make Google Chrome the default browser. I'm going to, and then I'm going to sign in so that it synchronizes my account.